Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of yet another gorgeous 420 IM Sport Grand Coupe we're having. Presented in mineral grey metallic, fitted with the Your Next Car styling pack. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options as well as some of the styling enhancements we've carried out in-house. Two-owner vehicle, BMW pre-reg plus one company owner. 30,000 miles, we'll have a fresh service before it goes out. Still under manufacturer's warranty, so the MOT isn't due as it's not 3 years old yet. LED headlights, 3-piece front splitter in gloss, twin slat kidney grills, 20-inch wheels, gloss black 6XM style with brand new tyres, gloss black side breathers, gloss black sidebars and matte decals. Staggered fitment rear wheels, so a really nice aggressive look. Privacy glass to the rear. LED tail lights, gloss black rear spoiler, D badge, and that lovely rear diffuser totally transforms the rear end. As you're probably aware, these 4 Series Grand Coupes are well renowned for the huge boot room, automatic tailgates and split folding rear seats. Immaculately presented, in stock, ready to go. As this is less than 3 years old, we've got a campaign on at the moment, so the APR on the PCP and HP with Alfera Financial Services would be 6.9%. Obviously it's subject to credit checks. We do work with other lenders as well. Black Dakota leather, heated front seats, 8-speed automatic, paddle shift auto. Take a quick look at the interior. Automatic headlights, rain sensors, park sensors, electrically adjustable mirrors, lumbar support on the driver's seat. Really well presented inside as well. Professional widescreen navigation. On this particular model it's a touch screen, so it's the latest version of the iDrive. So I'll show you just there. So connect to drive, Bluetooth, DAB, media playback. 2 keys present as well, in stock, physically ready to go. Sorry if I've gone really fast. Got a lot to get through and lots more gorgeous stock to go through for you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.